Welcome. This is Bitcoin Day Trading, the best Elliott wave analysis, episode number 18. Today, as always, we're going to take a look at the charts. Since yesterday, we have reached one more target, the Fibonacci target that I gave you. And I came up with a new target. So we're going to take a look at that. But first, I have to show you my website so that you know that there are risks involved in trading. So please read my disclaimer and the risk warning. The link to the website is in the description. And if you want to reach out to a trader and need help and advice, I do one-on-one coaching. And right now I have a 60% discount. So you can reach out to me and we can talk about investing, swing trading, or day trading, whatever you like. And I'll answer all your questions and help you to become a better trader so that you can realize your financial goals. But first, and that being said, let's take a look at the chart. We'll start with the 3-hour chart. So on the 3-hour chart, as you can see, we reached our target for that I had for wave 3, which was a 2.618 extension of wave 1. So wave 2 was equal to 2.618 times wave 1. That's a FIB level. And we reached that a couple of hours ago. And now, that being said, this wave, I'll show you with my marker. Just give me a second. So this is not the end of a wave of wave 5. Wave 5 will end up here. So we have to take a look at the 3-hour chart so that you understand. But it's not the end of that move. The move that started here should end higher. So right now we had something like wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we will get 5. But we are still not over. You will understand when I show you the 3-hour chart. Anyways, so this is not the end. This is not wave 5 of 3 that I had here. The place is not here because it's not the end of that move. I cannot count 5 wave ups. I only can count 3 wave ups for now. So we are missing the last leg of the up move, of the impulsive move. And that's why I did an extension. And the next extension is 3 times wave 1. So wave 1 started here, from here to here. And once I did the 2.618 extension, and now I did the 3 extension. They are both FIB levels. And the 3 extension should get us up to nearly 58,000 into that range, at least. So that now I can take that FIB level off because it's no longer relevant, my first FIB level, and I leave the second 2 for tomorrow. Okay, and let's take a look at the 3-hour chart so you understand better what is happening right now. So we are taking a look at the last move from here to here. Okay, from here to here. And I'll show you what is going on the 3-hour chart and why we are still going higher. We haven't finished the impulsive move higher. So the move we are talking about, at least the last leg of that move, started here. Take it here. And we now had subdivisions. So 1, 2, and then again 1, 2, and again 1, 2. And then we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we have 5. But that 5 is only wave 3 of 5, and we still need, so that is only wave 3 of 5, and we still need from there wave 4 correction, and then the end, wave 5 of 3. Then we have the third wave. The third wave that I'm talking about is this one. Here you have the third wave too. And it's also the 5 of 3, as you can see. The 5 of 3. And we need to get that in order to have that to have the third wave done. And the third wave started from wave 2 here, down here, and went up there. And then I expect a correction. And then the last wave, the fifth wave up. But for now, our target is the third of the fifth. So this, and this is our target for now. And what we are doing immediately, what we are in the process of doing right now, is from the third wave and the fourth wave. So we are doing the correction, and the correction could get us to 2 levels. Those are again 2 fib levels. The first one is the 0.236, and the second one is the 0.382 fib retracement level. So how did I calculate that? It's quite easy to understand. I took the third wave which started here. I took the third wave which started here. So 1, 2, 3. I took that wave up to here and put the fib retracement levels on it. I can do it if you want, so that you understand perfectly what I'm talking about. So if I take my tool, my fib retracement tool, we select it, and go up to there. You can see I'm mistaken. It's the third wave extension. So from here to here, and then you can see that that's the first level, is this one, the 0.236, which is here, and then I have the 0.382, which is here. That's why I put both of them on the chart. So those are our retracement levels for our target for wave 4. And once that is done, we get 5 waves up for the last move. That brings us, that ends the third wave. Okay, and that's our target for now. Let's see if I have it about right. Right now I'm at 58. Well, I'm not sure if we get that high. Could be only here. So I'm not sure that we get that high for the third wave. Let's put it a little lower. but it could be possible because sometimes targets are overshot. Sometimes we go a little higher. So we'll see. Okay, so for tomorrow, we are still in the process of doing wave 3 because wave 3 is an ABC. And for now, I cannot count an ABC. I can only count in the best case scenario, I can count an A, and maybe that's already a B, and we still need to accomplish the C wave down. Okay, that's what we have to do in order for wave 4 to be over. So we see if we retrace that until tomorrow, and if we stop at the 0.236 level or at the 0.382 level. I think the 0.382 level is more probable. And that been done, and then we start our last leg up for the third of the fourth. And once that's done, we should get a bigger correction. I'll tell you how deep we go once we reach our third wave and then a fifth wave up. Here I put it extreme. I put it so that we don't go in territory of wave 1, but I'm not sure that we're gonna restrict that much. I'll tell you what my targets are once we reach in the third wave of the fifth. Okay, and that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment if you want. I like to read your comments as long as they are not scammy comments, promoting scams, and there are a lot of them. I mean, I get more scammy comments than normal comments, much more scammy comments. Sometimes I only get scam comments. So leave me a comment if you like, and like the video so we can reach our target of 200 views. Yesterday we did 160, I think, or 150. My intervention since yesterday. And subscribe and hit the bell notification icon because it's time sensitive information. If you want to trade along my side or do the opposite of what I say, you need to have that information as soon as possible. So hit the bell notification icon. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.